Alright, this is the left side upper cab trim molding, Oxford white. Now, right here, you know, you can put that trim underneath that window gasket, or like I did, over the window gasket, or trim it. And quite frankly, I like it over the window gasket. If I put it under it, it's going to allow a channel for water to run down that rear window gasket to the metal. It seems like that's going to be a corrosion point to me. And inside all done, everything back together. This damn pickup ate my T30 Torx bit. I can't find that son of a gun nowhere. And I even took this panel back off, looked down behind it, and it ain't in there. And when it fell off the impact driver, it hit something soft. It didn't make a metallic sound when it hit. Well, it sounded like it hit carpet. I crawled all up underneath the truck. I looked everywhere. And after 20 minutes, I gave up. So whoever gets that truck in 20 or 30 years and takes it apart, they're going to get a bonus 3/8 drive T30 bit. Because I ain't going to look no more. I'll go on Amazon or Harborish Freight and get another one or another set. They're real cheap. But damn, it's irritating. Right to the point of being done, and that damn Torx bit fell off my impact driver and went to points unknown. Grr. So anyway, now the truck is all sealed up again so it can park out in the weather, and I can finally detail it from our coastal trip. Real heavy wash and wax, and vacuum out all the sand inside the cab, and clean it all up. So, got a lot done today. It just took a long time for that automotive paint store, excuse me, the auto parts store paint to dry, and it took 5 coats. But anyway, now that's all for this one. Thank you.